In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on an iPhone. So I'm going to be showing you two different methods to do this. And the first thing, we just need to make sure our location services are turned on. Now to do this, click on the Settings app, scroll down this list until you see Privacy and Security and click on this. Select Location Services and make sure Location Services at the top here is turned on. Then select Share My Location and make sure Share My Location is turned on. Then what we can do is come back to the home screen on your phone. Then what we're going to do is head over to the Maps app that's already installed on your phone. Now, if you're not sure where this is located, then you can just use the search box to type in Maps and then just open it up from here. Now, what we're going to do is scroll right down to the bottom of this menu until you see Share My Location. Click on this. And now from here, we can share our location with our contacts. So what we're going to do is click on the Messages app and then just type in the contact that you want to share your location with. And then you can go ahead and press the Send button. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you share your location on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.